This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The success of an organization is dependent on the quality, timeliness, and responsiveness of decisions made by its leaders. When managers make effective decisions that respond to the prevailing challenges, their organization enjoys high competitiveness with their competitors. According to Sanchez R Mahoney, 1996, managerial roles can be classified into four main categories: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling/monitoring. Efficient managers are able to effectively combine the four dimensions of management for the benefit of their organization. The organizing function of management involves putting production factors into optimal use to attain competitiveness. This paper discusses the organizing function of management. Organizing function of management. According to Robey and Sayles, 1994, firms have human, information, physical, and financial resources. Through these resources, they are expected to take advantage of market opportunities and mitigate any risk associated with the market. Resources need to be managed effectively to manage and take advantage of prevailing business opportunities and mitigate against business risks. Management has the role of enacting policies and strategies that optimally utilize their resources to add value to their customers. They have the task of optimally managing resources and ensuring that maximum gain has been derived from them. The organizing function of management ensures that activities are optimally managed, processes and allocation of factors of production are managed to produce expected results. Organizations should ensure activities are well thought out and coordinated for positive results and to mitigate any business threats. Van Fleet and Bedeian, 1977, suggest that leaders within an organization have the role of establishing the proper channels through which their business processes should follow for the benefit of their firms. Effectively managed organizations have their resources optimally utilized and well planned to attain high results. When planning, management should be at the forefront, making strategies that should be followed to attain the desired result. The contemporary business environment has numerous challenges that need to be critically approached. To critically handle issues, management organizes their organization's strengths for the good of stakeholders. Organizing is an act that results in well-coordinated activities. The activities are operated in such a way that they will attain certain desired results. In the input-out analysis, managers have the role of ensuring the inputs they have put in a process have given the desired output. In the event that some deficit has been noted, it should be the starting point of remedy. Organizational goals, missions, and visions can only be attained if the management organizes processes effectively. This includes undertaking input-output analysis and undertaking numerous internal and external environment analyses using management policies like SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis, PESTLE, political, social, ecological, technological, legal, and environmental analysis, and using Porter's 5 forces. Organizing takes the form of a continuous process where the management engages in day-to-day activities and looks into the right method or process to improve the performance of the processes. When processes are undertaken effectively and expected results have been attained, management should not relax and think they have attained the optimal process. They should aim at developing other better methods of attaining their goals and objectives. Business competitiveness is attained when a company is able to enact policies that organize its processes and resources to attain low production cost, improved value, and increased human resources motivation. When a company is able to produce resources at low costs, it can sell them at relatively lower costs than its competitors, thus making it more competitive. On the other hand, when value within an organization and its processes is improved, customers are satisfied with the products they get from the system. When customers are satisfied with the output of a company, they develop customer loyalty to the company's products, which is a competitive tool. Although the 3 articles by Sanchez and Mahoney, Van Fleet and Bedeian, and Robey and Sayles have emphasized the need for management to make strategic organizing decisions, all 3 articles have ignored the role that staff human resources, subordinates, play in the organizing functions. To effectively manage resources, organizations need the right systems and the right employees. The right employees are the ones who can assist management come up with decisions that are responsive to the organization's needs. If management makes quality decisions and they lack a framework through which the decision will be implemented, then the results of the quality decisions will not be good. Conclusion: managerial decisions determine the degree to which corporate goals and objectives will be attained. One characteristic of effective managers is effective organization. Managers are expected to combine human, physical, and financial resources optimally to attain desired corporate results. When undertaking the organizing role, managers should be guided by industrial trades and undertake input-output analysis to make the right decisions. Did you like this organizing function of management sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivpanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.